on the way to CDS. I think it's round 2. We didn't do the first one this year. We're on the way to Cayuga, which is our local track, the same place we did the LZ World Tour. We got the streetcar and the trailer loaded up. Weather actually right now looks really nice, which is awesome because the forecast all this week was just looking like an absolute nightmare for this weekend. Obviously we drift rain or shine, but nobody likes driving in the rain. So fingers crossed it holds up. We're probably 30 minutes out from the track. We got to get there, set up, do driver's meeting, and then I think there's a little bit of practice. We're running street class and pro class today. I think there's going to be segregated practice for street and pro separated. Yeah, we're running a section of the track I've never driven before on the back track. I've seen videos of the layout. Looks pretty fun, looks pretty tight. I'm excited. I have a hard time with this stuff just because there's a lot of people I haven't driven with before, which is obviously what practice is for, so that will be fun to kind of like learn how everybody else drives. That should be fun. And what I'm saying I have a hard time with is like I'm very used to being very aggressive, and I need to dial that back in street class. If it was pro class, it'd be a different thing. But it's almost more challenging for me mentally to like question whether I need to give somebody more of a gap or not off the line in street class, because there's varying skill levels, varying cars. Sometimes a car that I look at and I'm like, okay, with a very talented driver, that car should be faster than me for sure. Sometimes it's a less experienced driver, which is not their fault, but it makes it challenging to judge how much room to give, where in pro class you just give her, you don't give any room. So yeah, that'll be my mind game today, trying to like let you guys know where my head's at and what I'm like trying to work on, because that's actually a really big challenge for me driving in like the street class. But regardless, it's gonna be fun if the weather holds up, and we'll see all the homies there. It's a no spectator event because of where it's held on the track, so it's literally just gonna be like a jam day with the homies in a sense, so that'll be fun. And yeah, we'll see you guys when we get to the track and we all set up, and then we'll go from there.
Is this thing 4-wheel drive?
It's supposed to be, but my 4-wheel drive doesn't work.
Loop up around Jordan.
Where's he?
Right here.
Oh.
I'm buried. I'm stuck all the way already.
So we just wrapped up practice here at CDS. Pro guys are out practicing right now. Practice honestly didn't go that well. I was too gripped up. I have tires at 40 PSI, which actually turned out to be too much grip. So I felt good with like the line and understanding the line, but the car was not floating out where I wanted to float out. So unfortunately, I didn't have time during practice to air it up, but it is what it is. Just street class, we're fun out here. So aired up the tires, first battle. We'll feel how the car is, especially It's just floaty. I think the MO today for doing well in street class is just going to be consistent, floaty leads, filling all the zones, and on the chase, I'm just going to keep reminding myself to give people lots of room and kind of just gauge how they're driving. So we'll see. Roll the dice. Also want to shout out new hats. These are going to be available on the website probably by the time you guys see this video. We got these ones. We got these ones. And then we got another one that we will show you guys later. And that's also black. So check it out. Peace. Just filming your hat.
These are the hats. Try not to look so happy. How you doing, dude? How's your practice?
The last lap was good. The first lap was shit, but you know, at least we went out with a bang. So we could show everyone who's boss. Oh yeah. Going for gold, baby!
You're on grid, getting ready to go out. I think I'm pretty much later in the battles. What are you? You got soon?
I'm like the third or fourth battle to go.
Third or fourth battle. So it's Willie's first call of street class. I think he killed it in practice. He's excited. So, I mean, it's going to be a good day regardless. We're just going to have fun. And I'm going in the second half of the battle. So we'll probably cut to some in-car footage. I have my GoPro. If I remember to put it on, we will do that. And we'll try and record every battle.
I think the goal right now, we're on the opposite side of the bracket. I win mine, Liam wins his. We go head to head, tip to tip, see who wins.
Suspect that wheel speed's gonna drop. Fucking kick it.
Yeah. Especially
Even if you're like, maybe wheel speed's gonna drop, just kick it. There's no disadvantage.
we're going to hurt you at high speed.
No disadvantage.
Maybe 2 seconds ahead of your turbo.
Knowledge.
Yeah, it's power. Don't see it. just got home, unloaded from CDS, just about to kick it and relax, but just wanted to do a little closer on this video. So the day went really well. The weather ended up holding off for us, which was super rad, because it was looking spotty all day. So we got a full day of sun, track was dry, and yeah, we ended up taking home 3rd place, which was sweet. I was just stoked to be back out in the seat time car, honestly, just having a good time and driving with some people, but we ended up taking home some hardware, so that's cool. It was nice just to be back in kind of a competition setting again, and it was just a lot of fun, man. So it's 32 drivers. Obviously, as you guys will see in the chase cam footage, or you've already seen by this point, you know, leads, chases, whatnot from all our battles from the GoPro. Didn't go too crazy, obviously, A, being that it's street class, and B, being that there was a lot of new drivers and a lot of people I've never driven with, so obviously just kind of played it safe on the chase runs and tried to win with the lead for pretty much every battle, with the exception of my battle with Andrew in the brown Lexus, because I've driven with him a few times and I know he's a ripper, so I was able to kind of go a little bit more aggressive on the chase with him, and then especially with my homie Jeff, who is the one who ended up actually taking me out. That was a super fun battle. Jeff's a ripper. It's been a couple of years since I've driven with him like properly like that, but we used to drive quite a bit when I started drifting, so I knew I could trust him. I knew his car was faster than mine, and I knew that would allow me to push, and ended up taking myself out. You guys will see in the hairpin I actually kind of goofed, just took the wrong line and ended up just stuffing myself, and I had to kind of like straighten and reinitiate. But otherwise, I feel like our leads and chases in that battle were really close, and I had a ton of fun. I know he did too, so congrats to him. He deserves it. That car is like set up so well, and it was just sweet to follow a car that was so predictable and floaty. And Jeff ended up taking up the win, which is sick, and we had a lot of fun in that battle. So yeah, it was a good event, and I think we're gonna do the last CDS, which is in a couple months from now, so we'll do street class again. And man, just feels good to have the seat time car not blowing up motors and actually working for once. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.